Hey, PCHEMers, this is DW. I thought I would give you a quick target video for exam 1. As you know, we've covered a ton of material in terms of this first fifth of the course, and we have hundreds of equations for you to fit on a 3x5 note card. So I'd like to help you target what's expected from you on Monday. So I have the exam here on my screen, and let me count up. You've got the typical degrees of freedom and energy level spacing questions. I've got a couple of concept questions in terms of the partition function, some rotational, vibrational, temperature computations, and then I spend about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions on equipartition of energy and equipartition assumptions for the heat capacity. So be competent in terms of computing the heat capacity at constant volume for particular molecules. Pay attention to whether those vibrational modes are going to be active at room temperature or not. And then I want you to calculate one piece of the molecular partition function. It might be the translational portion, the vibrational portion, the rotational portion. And I'd like for you to show your work on that. There's a lot of open-ended work on this problem, on this exam. And then finally, this second page is a mega problem. It's the U-shag plus the equilibrium constant. So calculating the internal energy, entropy, enthalpy, Gibbs energy, and the delta of all of those for reaction, and then calculating the equilibrium constant between a simple two-level system with and without degeneracy. So if you're competent in those, and you should do very well. Just show your work and make it very clear to me that you know what you're doing. If I see a lot of scattered mess and erasures, you're not going to get full credit, because it will look to me like it's the first time you've ever done that problem. So that's the whole exam. I hope you do well. I think it'll be much easier. In the past, I've had this exam, it was too long, and so I've shortened it a little bit. So those of you who are tuning in from the past, don't be angry at me. I'm responding to your performance and trying to dial in the best way to test your knowledge. So good luck. Study hard this weekend, get some sleep, and I'll see you Monday.